Wow, I'm on Bora's blog. Hi Bora, how are you? Thank you so much for inviting me. I'm really glad to be here. I am so glad I got a chance to know you over the past year, and definitely really very grateful that you invited me to Science Online 2010. It was my first experience there, and I have to say it's the best conference I've ever attended. Plan to come back next year with more ideas for presenting. Not exactly sure what I want to do yet, but a little bit of time. I would definitely love to come back. So you're asking me, where am I physically? Currently, I'm sitting here with my gals. We're going to go party a little later, but we're sitting here in my bioengineering office at the University of Illinois, where I train students how to do cell culture techniques and to understand what goes into doing tissue engineering. I also teach another course for the Department of Cell and Developmental Biology, so I have these upper-level niche courses that I train students in. I also help other scientists with their particular projects. Particularly I help engineers because they are often uncertain of how to deal with biological systems, and so I'm really good at that. So I go ahead and help them. Now you want to know also a little bit about my blog. Where does blogging fit into a job like this? Well, maybe it doesn't, except in my job I also happen to do a lot of outreach. I run a girls engineering camp. I'm involved with Science Olympiad. I'm involved with science fairs. I'm also involved with iGEM. So I like to reach out to people who are younger than my students and to draw them into science, to get them enthusiastic about science, because I can't imagine a better career if you are so minded. So my website sort of grew out of this excitement to share science with the world at large, and my main goal is to sort of take an unexpected look at science, not to completely water it down, but to make science accessible and fun and interesting and have people take a second look, whether it's through gummy bears or cats or the fact that I used to model or just about anything. I've got lots of ideas in mind, including these dolls here. So let's take a look where my blog fits in the grand scheme of science communication.